Hi everybody, I haven't done any videos in a while because I've been super busy since I got back from my last trip, but I had to video this. This is my awesome box of goodies from my fabulous pal Candy Rosenberg, and she asked me if I would be a guest designer for her at a vintage girl shop, and I'll make sure I put all the links in the video, but I had to show you guys the unboxing video because I'm so excited. I was so thrilled that she asked me to be a guest designer. When she emailed me, my response was, oh my god, yes! Let's see all the goodies. So, this is a really big box of goodies. See? Look at that. Really big box of goodies. Cannot wait to see everything in here. So, I think what I'm going to do is just pull everything out and then go through it all. Now, there's some stuff I ordered and then a bunch of stuff she gave me, and I can't remember which is which, so I'm just going to keep pulling stuff out of this box, apparently. Okay, yes, I got everything out of there, so. Alright. So, she got all this really cool fabric that she had told me about. I think these are like fabric samples and stuff, so. Oh my goodness, look at this. I got to see some of it on another friend's unboxing video, but it's even prettier in person. I mean, how cool is that? Oh, I cannot wait to figure out stuff to do with all of this. I have to figure out how to do some sewing in with my scrapbooking. I know lots of people do stuff like that. Oh, this stuff is all just so gorgeous. And it's just, oh, I've got a couple dress forms that I can maybe actually put dresses on. That'll be fun. Oh, and some neat, just the little swatches are cool too, because those would be really neat as a background on a canvas. And there's also a really cool texture. Oh, that one's pretty. I like that one. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Candy. There are some cool stuff here. Lots and lots of this stuff. Yay. Oh, the ideas. I have so many ideas. I almost don't want to go camping now this weekend. I actually almost want to stay home and scrapbook. But the nice thing is my husband has to work. Well, not nice for him, but he didn't take Monday off. Oh, look at that one. That one's really pretty. He didn't take Monday off, so we have to be back on Sunday night. But I don't have to work on Monday, so this is where I will be, is playing with this stuff. You can't really see, this one's got some really neat shimmer to it. Really pretty. There is just so much gorgeous fabric. Oh, can't believe all the gorgeousness that we have here. Loads and loads and loads. Can't imagine this is a carpet that I would want all over my floor, but the little pieces of it are like really cool. Very cool. Adding texture and stuff to this is going to be so much fun. Very cool. These are all really, really neat. I think I might have to go buy some more canvases so I can make a bunch more canvases. So that is all the really pretty paper that I got, that she gave me. So let's move that aside so we can see some other stuff that she gave me. Okay, so Candy was saying how really cool these scissors and tweezers are. They're by, okay, I can't read this. I need my glasses. I need my glasses so I can see. These are by Elizabeth Craft Design. So they're a little, like, really tiny scissors for cutting. So for fussy cutting, those will be, yeah, here we go. For fussy cutting, these will be really cool. They're very tiny, so you'll be able to get some real details, really tiny details in there, so that's going to be fun. I'm not a fan of fussy cutting, but I end up doing it a lot, so. Okay, so that's those. And those are tweezers, so I need some more of those. Oh, here, what does she say? Monica, the extras are for your guest designing for me, yay! So, look at all this. How cool is that? Well, she said she was going to send me extras, so. These are the new stickers that she got in. So they are really cool. I think they were designed for planners, but I'm not a planner person, but I mean, how cool is that on a card or a part of a background? So that'll be fun. Ooh, these are the dress forms and the different clothing. I guess I should remember to do it this way for the video. Those are cool, and it's really cool chipboard. Her chipboard is amazing. You really gotta try the chipboard. Her chipboard is just amazing. Ooh, I think these are the wings she told me that are brand new. Those are cool. I got some ideas for those. Some way cool ideas for those. Alrighty, and then I think this is the stuff I ordered, and the rest is all... Oh, look, more fabric. She told me she was sending me a whole ton of fabric, and she was right. It is really, really cool. I cannot wait to do some funky stuff with this. This is going to be really cool. This stuff is just amazing, all of it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Candy. It is amazing. So that's some more fabric. Oh, and then she sent me... Oh, these are actually like old patterns from Berta, so like for making clothing of some kind. But that's cool. They've got the real vintage feel to them, so those are really cool. Alrighty. So yes, so this is what I ordered. So all of this first stuff that I've showed you is all the extras that she sent me. How spoiled am I? No, I did order these too. But everything else is extras, so how cool are those? So, let's see what we got here. I've ordered so much lately, I don't even remember what I ordered. Okay, so we have another dress form. I already used one of these, and I loved it so much I had to get another one. I have a different idea this time what to do with it, so I'm going to try something else this time. I think she just, I can't remember if I ordered this or not, but I love these hangers. They are so cool. They're so good. And it's like a really thick wood, right? So, especially when I do some of the stuff with the dresses, those are going to be cool. And some more gears. You can never have enough gears, especially Candies. They are really cool. And some more wings. Her gorgeous wings. And some letters. Some chipboard letters. So those are fun. Oh, write your own story. I'm going to probably put that on something. And then I got some more of the stickers, some other stuff. So had to get the llamas. The llamas are very cute. We've got llamas. We've got some drink up rum. Got some, looks like Alice in Wonderland, vintage Alice in Wonderland. Some vintage stickers. How cool are those? So, yay. I cannot wait to play with all this. Thank you so much again, Candy. You are the best. Absolutely the best. And, oh, here, let's look at this one, too. Because I think, oh, yes, there are more stuff. There's more stuff in here. I think those might have been more extras. I can't remember what I ordered and what she gave me, but it's all cool, so it's absolutely all awesome. Oh. Except for this one that apparently I can't get into. There we go. Come on, once I get into this one. Okay, so... Okay, yeah, so we've got the pirate ship. There we go. These, yeah. So we've got the pirate ship. We have the vintage sewing. We have the cutest stinking mermaids, like, ever. How cute are those? Ah, I love this one. The Day of the Dead ones. I might have to put these on a card for my niece, Taryn, because she loves Day of the Dead stuff. And then there's a craft version of the vintage sewing. So those are really cool. So yes, so she sent me all those. Well, actually, I think those ones... I think if I remember right, these are the ones I ordered, and these are the extras she sent me. But they are all cool, so yay. Oh, actually, yeah, because she sent me the I remember that now. She sent me the llamas, which is awesome. Thank you, Candy, because I saw them after I put in my order, and I'm like, I wish I had the llamas. So there you go. And then there's all just some, she sent me a few extras. So we've got a camper and some potted plant and some more llamas and a camera. So they are very, very cool. So this is my unboxing video. Thank you, Candy, for asking me to be a guest designer for you. I cannot wait to start designing stuff. And once I do, I will show you guys what I make. And I will also try to do a video of what I do with some of this, like how I alter the chipboard and everything. So stay with me, I hope. And I will talk to you all later. And have a great long weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.